Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button or the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the control panel. And here you can scroll through this panel by swiping up or down on the screen. Find the icon that has the percentage on it, the battery icon basically. This one. Tap on it. And this should bring you to the battery menu. Now, you should see the option called low power mode and switch next to it. To enable the power saving mode, tap on the switch, scroll down and tap on turn on. The icon should change the color to the yellow, and also you should see this round icon on the screen, the small icon, which indicates that the power saving mode is enabled. And then we can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and also you can see the icon on the watch face. So that's how you enable the power saving mode. You can disable it by opening the controls panel again, tapping on the percentage, tapping on the switch to disable it. And now the icon is gone, and this icon changed the color back to the gray, like this. Also, you can set the duration for the battery saving mode, or power saving mode rather. So if you open the controls panel, tap on the icon, tap on the switch, you will see this menu, and here you have turn on. So if you want to turn it on and have it turned on until you turn it off, you tap on turn on, but you can also tap on turn on for, and this will bring you to this page, and you can select for 1 day, for 2 days, or 3 days. So if you select, for example, on for 1 day, it will stay turned on for 1 day, and so on. So for 2 days, it's gonna stay on for 2 days, and 3 days, it's gonna stay on for 3 days. And then it's gonna turn itself off automatically, unless you turn it on, or rather off manually by tapping on the icon right here. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.